What's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be decluttering, deep cleaning, and organizing my kitchen. Inshallah, it is going to be Ramadan very soon, so we are gonna get our kitchen all organized, because when it's Ramadan, the kitchen is gonna be used a lot. I don't know about you guys, but when it's Ramadan, we love to cook, so we're always in there cooking. So I want to get my whole kitchen decluttered and organized. I'm also gonna be cleaning my oven, because my oven is in some serious need of deep cleaning. It is currently 9:07. I dropped off the kids at school, and the baby's asleep, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and clean up. If you are in need of some motivation, be sure to watch the full video, and I hope that this video motivated you. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you, so please consider to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below introducing yourself. I would love to get to know you. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. The kitchen is already a mess. I moved the stove and the refrigerator because I want to sweep behind it. So y'all could see behind the stove is a mess. There's like some stuff that I need to clean out, and then I need to clean the exterior of the stove and also inside the oven. I do put stuff in my oven like as a storage but I'm gonna get those out later and kind of give it a good scrub and get it back to its clean original form if I could. Behind the refrigerator, this right here is not that bad. I already sweeped it up actually. Yeah, I already sweeped it up before I decided to start filming, so it wasn't bad actually. It was just the same as the stove area. So once again, I'm gonna wipe down the exterior of the refrigerator, and also I'm gonna check up here. It looks pretty dusty to me, so yeah. I was planning on filming with my camera, but my battery is dead, so when that charges, I'm gonna switch from my phone to the camera. Ramadan. So one thing about me is that I always try to stay on top of cleaning behind my appliances, my stove, my refrigerator. This is mostly where, like, whenever you sweep the floor, everything goes in. So guys, I love my stove. The stove top is glass. The thing about it is, I wish I could like open that thing and clean the inside of it, because it looks nice from the outside, but the inside is dirty. I guess the people that used to live here did not take care of it that much. So I wish that I could get inside of it and clean it up, but I can't do that. So it's like I'm always just cleaning from the outside, but the inside has so much like food crumbs and just like things that have been just on there for like God knows how many months or years. When we first moved into this house, this stove, when I pulled it out, it was just so disgusting, guys. Like, there was so much food on it. I actually have it on video just in case, when we move out later, if they have a little argument over our deposit or something, I have evidence. I filmed everything in this house. So next thing, we're moving on to the stove. I've been doing a little baking around here lately. I love to bake, but the thing with this oven is I never had an oven like this before. It has a fan inside of it, and whenever I used to bake in this oven before, like, I figured out how it worked. The only thing that would get like baked is only the top of the food, and then the bottom would be like, you know, semi-cooked, or it was just confusing. But one day I decided to post a video on TikTok and someone explained to me how it worked. And now I know how it works, so I've been baking a lot. I actually enjoy baking. Clean my oven. I'm going to use this easy off spray and just kind of spray it inside and leave it for like 20 minutes. I also use that easy spray on top of my stovetop to clean it.
They call me Ramzan.
So it's been like 20 something minutes, so we're gonna scrub down our oven and clean it up. I dislike cleaning the oven. It's just a lot of work. Like, your arms get exhausted. I wish there was like an easier method to cleaning the oven, but unfortunately I have not come across anything that's much easier.
They call me Ramzan.
So next up, I'm gonna move to the cabinets. I just have my spices, tea, and just things that I would use for cooking up here. And on this side, I have my cups and plates. And at the bottom, I have my bigger bowls and pots and pans over here and lids. So yeah, so we're gonna work on the cabinets, just kind of giving them a wipe and making sure that all of our spices are neatly organized. So guys, I am horrible at organization. Even if I organize my stuff, it would still end up being messed up by, let's say, tomorrow, because I don't know, I love having things organized, but I would mess it up. Like, for example, this cabinet that I'm organizing right now, it used to be neatly organized. I used to have only my the covers for the pots in here, but look, I have everything in here now. Like, it's just a mess. Like, I don't know, I'm just really horrible at it. For now, I'm just throwing everything where I could possibly put them in. Like this cabinet right here, I just keep my cups and plates in there. So it doesn't look that perfectly, aesthetically pleasing organization, but it's working for me. Y'all, the video is almost coming to an end, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for the support that you guys are showing my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope to one day be able to give back to my community here on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to invite you to click on that subscribe button. Please be sure to turn on your post notifications so that way you're are notified whenever I upload a new video. Please also give the video a thumbs up. I hope this video motivated you. Thanks for watching. Bye.